So I decided to do this after starting it because I figured I'd let people know how I do it, and it works out really well for me. I've used it on fenders and other parts that have gotten broken, and it seems to work really well and holds up better than the factory. When it's unbroken, it's actually much stiffer. What I use here is I use a drill bit, small drill bit that's just about the size of 18 gauge mechanics wire, and then I drill 2 holes on either side of the crack all the way down, and then I make these staple shapes out of the wire, and I push it through, and I use the pliers to just go on there and twist it like that. So there we go. We have the A-arm with all the staples in it. They're all twisted on the back and bent down, semi-pounded down just to get them real close to the plastic. I also, goes like this, so I also make them go downwards so that if you go through any muck or something like that, it's less likely to catch stuff. And then these ones I bent up because I didn't want them going and touching the A-arm. And that's how I do it, and as you can see, there's zero flex in that, and I'm pushing as hard as I can with my one hand, whereas before I could actually pull it apart and get about a 2-3 millimeter gap there if I pulled on it.